How to transfer group members to another group in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open WhatsApp on your device and then open the group from where you want to add group members in another group. Once opened, tap on the group name on top of your screen and scroll down and you will see the option for invite via link or QR code option there. Tap on that and then tap on the send link via WhatsApp option. Further, go ahead and select the other group where you want to add members from. Once selected, you will be redirected to that particular group. So, any member from that particular group taps on the link that you just sent, then they will automatically be redirected to your group. So this is how you can transfer group members to another group in WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.